So we're in Centennial Park, and there's a lady here with the Popeye on her. That's Popeye the parrot. Hi, Popeye. That's cool. I got him on. I got him on video a lot. He likes you. I think that parrot likes that lady. But yeah, no, I've had him on my hand before.
That actually feels like that.
They got sharp claws.
He's not gonna. He's gonna
Bite your nose off.
cuddle him. What do you do when you cuddle him? Oh, could I do that?
Parrot in the park. Popeye the cockatiel. Entertainment, folks. I think that lady's got to get a parrot.
He's got one foot in the air. You're just sweet.
Makes for good entertainment right here. See this? Now I got to think of a title, you know? Parrot in the park. Popeye in the park.
Oh, there he goes.
He's going to climb on your head.
He's going to poop on me?
He could.